Botsify Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our Botsify Chatbot Review. In this video, we'll dive into the features, usability, and who Botsify is best suited for. If you're interested in exploring Botsify further, check the links in the description below. Botsify is a user-friendly chatbot platform designed to help businesses automate customer interactions across multiple channels, including websites, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and more. It caters primarily to small to medium-sized businesses, educators, and customer support teams looking for an affordable and efficient way to handle queries, generate leads, or engage users. One of Botsify's key selling points is its no-code interface, which allows you to create chatbots quickly with drag-and-drop tools. However, for tech-savvy users, it also supports customization through coding, making it flexible for both beginners and advanced users. You can easily design conversation flows, add pre-built templates, and incorporate logic-based responses tailored to your specific needs. What makes Botsify stand out is its multilingual support. It enables businesses to engage a global audience by creating bots that communicate in multiple languages, ensuring inclusivity and wider reach. Additionally, Botsify supports human handoff, which seamlessly transfers complex queries to live agents when necessary, ensuring customer satisfaction. For businesses focused on data collection and lead nurturing, Botsify offers integrations with tools like Zapier, WordPress, and Shopify, as well as CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce. These integrations make it simple to sync chatbot data with your existing systems, streamlining workflows and improving efficiency. Botsify also features AI and NLP capabilities, enabling bots to understand and respond to customer intent more accurately over time. Another impressive feature is its dedicated support for educational institutions. Botsify is popular among educators for creating virtual assistants that handle FAQs, student inquiries, and administrative tasks. Overall, Botsify provides a cost-effective and versatile solution for businesses and educators aiming to improve engagement and streamline communication. Its mix of ease of use, scalability, and robust integrations make it a strong contender in the chatbot space. For more details, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.